But one of
Yes,
the
sir.
things which is very prominent about reasoning ability is what is the essential of the problem? Your ability to see the essentials of a problem. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Your screen is. No,
Are
sir.
you,
Now it's not.
is
Now
it
it's
visible
not.
now?
No, sir. Not right now.
Is it visible now?
No, sir.
No problem. You read the second story.
Okay. Uh, Rajesh visited the city of Jodhpur. On the outskirts of the Jodhpur, as he was walking, he noticed an old British cannon was kept nearby a park. It was on the demolition stage. He noticed that the people treated it very badly. He took the photos and the videos of the cannon and sent an email to the respective municipality so they can build fences around that and repair it. He also spread awareness through the social media to conserve the old things so that the future generation get to know about this. His efforts were fruitful in the next few months.
खुद ही तुमको लग रहा होगा कि क्या लिख दिया मैंने.
हाँ सर समवॉट सर वो ऐसा था सर वो
आपको वो आप you just look at that picture. Do you think it is at the stage of demolition? Look at it first. ये मेन प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है कि हम पिक्चर देखने की हमको पिक्चर देखना ही नहीं, हमको पहले ही स्टोरी बना देना है. समझ रहे हो ना? Mind is so much in a hurry that it doesn't want to follow the basics. You look at that picture first and you tell me कि is it in the state of demolition?
नो सर लग तो नहीं रहा है सर.
Then फिर क्यों आप ऐसा बना दिए हो? जबरदस्ती का आप इशू क्रिएट कर रहे हो. See the essential of a problem. I was again emphasizing what exactly is the issue. There is a situation, but what exactly is it? Then only you can help it. If you don't
Yes,
understand, how will you help? No one can help.
correct.
I mean, you look at the person also. Do you see any kind of an expression on him as if he is so concerned by the dilapidated structure or something like that? So you're forcing it down. You're forcing the story on the picture. Your mind is so clogged.
Yes,
And then you are writing to the municipality. What municipality has to do with the conservation of this kind of a structure? Nothing. Repair. Are you look at it? It is looking so magnificent. It is well preserved. If you
yes, sir.
look at it, you can make out only thing that will come to your mind. Wow, it is so well preserved. So it is an antique thing which is well preserved.
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो आप कंसेप्ट उलट पलट कर पकड़ लोगे तो स्टोरी वैसे ना बनेगा. What is essential is how well are you able to understand. Understanding will come if you notice. If you have that open mindedness. Closed mindset से अगर आप notice करेंगे, that's how story will come.
Okay, sir.
क्या वो रामायण की वो पंक्ति याद है? जा की रही भावना जैसी हरि मूरत देखी तिन ऐसी. आप मेरा बात
Okay.
समझे?
ये सर जैसा हम सर
क्या
सोच रहे
की रही भावना. अब भगवान राम का जब मंदिर बना अयोध्या में,
ये सर.
आपने भी नोटिस किया होगा कई लोगों के आंसू निकल गए उस मूर्ति को देख के. क्यों ऐसा आंसू निकला
हेलो
मूर्ति को देख के?
सर.
कैन यू हियर मी?
सर योर वॉइस वाज ब्रेकिंग सर.
नहीं, क्यों लोगों के आंसू क्यों निकले मूर्ति को देख के?
सर उनकी भावनाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं सर.
भावनाएं जुड़ी हुई थी तो उस मूर्ति में भगवान राम दिख रहे थे उनको. परंतु कई ऐसे लोग हैं जो कटाक्ष भी कर रहे थे. उनकी
हाँ
भावनाएं
सर.
नहीं है.
हाँ
So
सर.
it is all about you, your emotions inside, how you look at that picture.
यस सर.
क्या की रही भावना जैसी सारी एसएसबी और ये सारा कुछ रामायण में है. अगर कोई ढंग से पढ़ ले तो और हमारे महाभारत में समझ में आया.
यस